Good morning. Welcome to the My Instagram Followers Control My Life for a Day video. You guys are gonna control everything I do today, starting with my morning. So let's go over to the bedroom because I actually want to know, do you guys want me to fix my bed or not? Personally, I need to fix my bed every morning. So I really hope you guys tell me to fix the bed because I need to fix the bed. I hate when the bed is not made. It just makes your life look like a mess. So please tell me to fix my bed. Let's go to Instagram and find out what you guys think. Okay, sent. Oh, let's see what you guys said about last night. All right, so last night I asked you, should I let my hair just air dry and rock it naturally or should I straighten it? And of course, you guys want me to let it air dry and rock it naturally. I'm gonna let the poll run for about 20 minutes each time that I ask a question. Otherwise, we're not gonna get anything done. But the next thing I wanna know is, should I make coffee at home or should I go to Starbucks? Normally, I would wanna go to Starbucks. However, I took Max on a walk this morning and it is so cold today and it's gonna be raining all day. That being said, I don't really wanna go to Starbucks, but I feel like you guys are gonna think that I wanna go to Starbucks and you might tell me to go to Starbucks. Let's see. Okay, one more thing this morning that I want you guys to help me with is figuring out what to wear. It's very cold outside, it's gloomy, and I pretty much just have to wait for the next few hours for the delivery men to come and drop off our new sectional. So I just want to be comfy and cozy, and I need your help on deciding what to wear. Should I wear sweats or should I wear leggings? Let a bitch know. The votes are in and you guys want me to fix the bed, which I love you guys. You guys are crazy bed fixers like me apparently. And I get to have coffee at home. So thank you guys. Wow, the leggings and the sweats were a super close call. I wanted to wear sweats, but you guys picked leggings, so leggings it is. Normally I'm dying to leave the house because it's always so hot and beautiful outside, but it is such a weird weather day. It actually feels cold. Hopefully you guys don't make me go outside because I really don't want to today. All right, I'm gonna make some breakfast now. Should I have something healthy or not so healthy, something fun, kind of like a cheap breakfast? I wonder what you guys are gonna pick for me. I feel like you guys are gonna tell me to have a healthy breakfast because you guys are so responsible. You made me fix my bed. I just want to point out that I know you guys so well. 62% want me to have a healthy breakfast. I knew you guys were gonna choose a healthy breakfast for me. Oatmeal. We're gonna have some maple brown sugar oatmeal because you guys want me to be healthy, so that's what we're doing. I feel like this is a good, easy, but healthy breakfast because it literally just takes a minute to make. You know what? I'm kind of happy you guys chose this for me. It's pretty good. The delivery guys just got here, so they're gonna put our sectional. I'm so excited. All right, guys, the sectional was delivered and it is humongous. It's so comfortable though. This could be my new bedroom. It's so big. What's next for you guys to choose for me? I'm trying to decide if I should go to Trader Joe's or not. I have to pick up some things that I couldn't find at the regular supermarket and I think Trader Joe's will have it. So let's go to Instagram. I'm going to Trader Joe's, obviously won. So off we go, and perfect timing because the rain finally just started. So I threw on this hoodie and let's just go. Let's pick up some groceries. I did some groceries, but now I'm gonna ask you guys if I should make food myself at home or if we should just order food. I'm kind of feeling lazy, so I don't want to make food. You guys are messed up making me cook. I did not want to cook, but you guys voted and it was a landslide for me to cook. That being said, we are gonna make something easy. We're gonna make pasta. I picked this up from Trader Joe's. Oh, it's literally Trader Joe's brand. It's penne pasta. So this is what we're gonna have. And then I'm also gonna make her some garlic bread. Alright guys, pasta is ready, and so is the garlic bread. Oh my goodness guys, dinner was actually pretty yummy. I'm glad that I ended up making something at home because it was really easy and then I didn't have to spend that much money. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed taking over my life for today. I think next time we should take over something else, like something more specific. Let me know if you guys would like to do that. But again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.